Earlier today you mentioned that it is okay to read poetry that is secular in order to learn about the culture we live in today. Will the same apply to the music of today's age, not music that is morally against the teachings of Islam? Well, the message of music is primarily affective rather than in the lyrics. I would regard it as legitimate to know about the musical culture of the West insofar as one has to understand the processes of communication in the world in which we live, and also the influences which are coming to bear on the new generation of Muslims, the Islamic world as well as here, and also the influences which are coming to bear on our children. Whether we like it or not, the majority of young Muslims in this country listen to music. We have to know exactly what kind of music are likely to be poisonous and which are less damaging. So yes, we do need to know this. Very elegant script here. This is an American question.